In this video, I am going to show you how we can disable or enable screen tip in Excel 2016. So what is screen tip? First of all, screen tip is information that is visible when you hover your mouse over some ribbon button. Like if you hover your mouse over bold button, so it will tell you that it is used for making text bold, and control plus B is its shortcut, and below it you can see some description like make your text bold. So if you hover over another ribbon button, so same thing you can find on each and every tab in Excels. So you can disable this screen tip, and it comes with two settings. First of all, go to file and go to options. So here by default show feature description in screen tips is selected. So you can either select don't show feature description in screen tips. If you click the OK button, and now only the bold is visible and control plus B, there is no description like we have seen previously. So to permanently turn off screen tip, you can select don't show screen tips and click on OK. So now if you hover your mouse over the bold button, nothing will be displayed. So in this way you can use the screen tip section of the general settings. Thanks for watching.